Common ratio means second term by first term, that is 25 by 5 or 125 by 25. If between the terms, if you have common ratio, then we say they are in geometric progression. The method of comparison, powers are same, equate the bases are equal to 4. 5 power 10 is a huge number, so no need to multiply and waste your time. You can write it as 5 power 10. You keep multiplying R common ratio for the terms after the first term. If you want to get geometric progression, for the every term you multiply the common multiple, we call it as common ratio. Welcome to the session, dear students. Now we'll go ahead with progressions, that is geometric progression. See, what is geometric progression? If the terms, for example, we'll take a term, say 2, 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18, like that. You can observe, if I divide 6 by 2, I'll get 3. If I divide 18 by 6, I'll get 3. So, the sequence is having a common ratio. Or simple term, I'll take 1, 5, 25, 125, so on. Here, each term gets multiplied by 5. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. It goes on. Or if I divide second term by first term, 5 by 1 gives me 5. Or third by second, 25 by 5 is 5. Or 125 by 25, that will also give you 5. 25 is 5. So they have common ratio. Common ratio is what? 5. This common ratio, if you multiply for each term, you will get next term. So dear students, we call such sequence, whatever here, 2, 6, 18 or 1, 5, 25, 125, we call they are in geometric progression. If between the terms, if you have common ratio, then we say they are in geometric progression. If you want to get geometric progression, for the every term you multiply the common multiple, we call it as common ratio. For example, so now A is the first term, multiply R to it, it will become AR. Again multiply R to it, it will become AR into R is AR square, then it will become AR cube, then it will become AR power 4, so on. Observe, A1, this is A2, for 2 we have power 1. A3, third term we have power 2. A4, for fourth term we have power 3. A5, for fifth term we have power 4. Similarly, for nth term, we'll have AR power n minus 1. So, what is the general term in GP? In geometric progression, the general term is AN is equal to A into R power n minus 1. What is the general term in GP? AN is equal to A into R power n minus 1. If I want sixth term, A6 is A into R power 6 minus 1, A into R power 5, that's it. R is the common ratio, A is the first term. This is a basic. Then we'll have summation, that we'll see later. Now, example 1, find the 10th and nth term of GP 5, 25, 125. See, this is an example in your textbook, 5, 25, 125 they give. So here the first term we call it as A is 5. Common ratio means divide second term by first term, 25 by 5, that is 5. Common ratio is 5. Now you know A and R. They want you to find which term? They want 10th term and nth term. AN is A into R power n minus 1. This is nth term. A10 is what? A into R power 10 minus 1. Simplify this. A10 is equal to A into, A means the first term, that is 5 into, R is common ratio is also 5, power 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 5 into 5 power 9, or 10th term is 5 power 10 in this case. 5 power 10 is a huge number, so no need to multiply and waste your time. You can write it as 5 power 10. A power m into A power n is A power m plus n. So they want you to find 10th term, they want you to find nth term. First I'll write the formula for nth term. What is the nth term in GP? An is A into R power n minus 1. A is first term, R is the common ratio. And A means the first term is 5. Common ratio means second term by first term, that is 25 by 5 or 125 by 25. You'll get 5. Common ratio is 5. And A10 is AR power 10 minus 1. A10 is 5 into 5 power 10 minus 1, 5 into 5 power 9, 5 into 5 power 10. We got A10. Then, which term of GP sums up to 1310971072? Which term of GP? So, SN. Which term of GP is up to n terms? Which term? Nth term. AN is the question. A they gave 2. And they want N. R. How to find R? 8 by 2. 8 by 2 gives you what? 4. Common ratio is 4. Each term you multiply 4, you will get next term. 2. 4 is 8. 8 4 is 32 like that. Now, which term? AN is also given. What is AN? 131072 they give. Now, AN formula is what? A into R power n minus 1 is 131072. And all of you know A means the first term is 2. 2 into R power n minus 1 is 131072. And you also know 2 you transfer that side. So R power n minus 1 is equal to 131072 divided by 2. That is R power n minus 1 is 2 6 are 12, again 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 2 3s are 2 6 are. And again R value, you know what is R value? Common ratio is 4. So 4 power n minus 1 is 65536. Use calculators and expand it is in terms of 4 power. So 4 into 4 into 4, if keep on multiplying, you will get 4 power particular term in terms of this. Now this you try with calculator. So 4 power 8. 4 into 4 into 4, 8 times if you multiply, it will become 65,536. Now bases are same, equate the powers. If I equate the powers, n minus 1 is 8 and n is 8 minus 8 plus 1, n is 9. Ninth term is the answer. Which term? Ninth term. Then geometric mean. How to find geometric mean? See, arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So if A, B, C are in GP, then GP, B square is AC. The middle term square is AC, or B is root AC. B is what? Root AC. And the other thing is, if you want geometric mean, you keep multiplying R common ratio for the terms after the first term. So B square is AC. The middle term square is AC, or B is root AC, is the geometric mean. Next, the middle term, and then we have insert the numbers between 1 and 256 so that the sequence is in GP. Simple. Insert how many numbers? 3 numbers. 1, after 1, I'll introduce a G1, G2, G3. 3 numbers and 256. Total how many numbers I have? 1, in between 3, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 terms I have. A5 is 256. And A means the first term. What is the first term? 1. Then you know general term in GP. What is the general term in GP? AN. What is AN? A into R power n minus 1. And AN is A5. A5 is A into R power 5 minus 1. And A5 value, you know, A5 is 256 and A is 1 into R. R common ratio we don't know, we need to find power 4. Simple. We got 256 is equal to R power 4, or R power 4 is equal to 256. 256 can be written as 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 4s are 256. I can write it as 4 power 4. So now once you get 256, then we have bases are same, so powers are same, equate the bases. R is 4, common ratio you got. Once you get common ratio, keep multiplying the common ratio, you will get the terms in between. So we took 1, G1, G2, G3, and the fourth term they gave. Fourth term is what? 256. So now for each term you multiply for 1 into 4 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64, 64 into 4 is 256. So in between you got 3 numbers. So therefore the 3 numbers are What are the three numbers? 4, 16, 64. These are the numbers which you should introduce or which you should include between 1 and 256. Include these numbers, then the sequence what we get will be in geometric progression. I hope all of you understood. First, we need to find the last term. Last term 1, 2, 3. After you insert 3, there are total 5 terms. So A5, the fifth term is 256, and use AN formula. AN is what? A into R power n minus 1. AN is 5. A5 is A into R power 5 minus 1. A5 is 256. Fifth term we have 256. In the place of A5, put 256. A means first term 1 and R power 4. R power 4 is 256, and 256 can be written as 4 power 4. So then simplify this. By method of comparison, powers are same. Equate the bases are equal to 4. Once you get 4, multiply 4 to each number. 1 into 4 is 4. Again multiply 4 to this 4, it will become 16. Again multiply 4, it will become 64. Again you multiply 4, it will become 256. So these are the three numbers. 4, 16 and 64 are the numbers that you should include between 1 and 256. Now relation between AM and GM. And problems, see arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean between two numbers is A plus B by 2. So now we want AM and GM. So now we'll go for relation between what? Arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So now arithmetic mean of the sequence is A plus B by 2. Similarly, geometric mean of any two numbers is root AB. So now always arithmetic mean will be less than or equal to, so now I'll take simple example. I'll take two numbers, say 2 and 4. Arithmetic mean is 2 plus 4 by 2. 6 by 2, that is 3. Geometric mean is root 2 into 4. Root 8. Root 8 is, root 9 is 3, it is 2 point something. See, always this is GM, this is AM. Arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. Geometric mean cannot exceed arithmetic mean. Always arithmetic mean is greater than what? Geometric mean. That is the basic. Now coming to this, we have relation. I told you the relation is what? AM should be greater than or equal to what? GM. AM can never be less than. This is a relation. Means A plus B by 2 is always greater than or equal to what? Root AB. Now coming to this, we have AM and GM of two positive numbers. They say A and B are 10 and 8. They gave arithmetic mean and geometric mean. They want you to find the numbers. So arithmetic mean they gave. What is arithmetic mean? 10. Geometric mean is also given. What is geometric mean? 8. So, but that implies arithmetic mean means what? A plus B by 2 they gave. What is A plus B by 2? 10. So, further that implies 2 you transfer to the RHS. So, A plus B becomes 10 into 2. That is A plus B is 20. A plus B you got 20. That is the first thing. And geometric mean means root AB. Root AB is 8. Squaring on both sides, AB becomes 64. So now we got AB value also. Now they want numbers. A plus B AB A plus B and AB Geometric mean is what? Root AB. Root AB is 8. Squaring on both sides, AB is 64. Further, we know the formula A plus B and A minus B. A plus B, you can find A minus B. So, what is A minus B? In mathematics, A minus B the whole square can be written as A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. See, in A plus B the whole square, we'll have A square plus B square plus 2AB. In that 4AB, if you remove it, it will become minus 2AB. In spite of A minus B the whole square, I can write it like this. Now, A plus B value, what is A plus B? 20. 20 square minus 4AB. AB value also, 64. So, simplify this. This is 400. 4 4s are 16. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 256. Subtract this. 400, 256. 4. And this is 144. This is A minus B the whole square. Now what is A minus B? A minus B will be what? Root 144. Root 144 A minus B is exactly what? 12. That is equation 2. See, already you got a plus b. A plus b is equal to what? We have 20. Call it as 1, and a minus b just now we got, that is 12. Call it as 2, and add the equations. Solve same 1 plus 2. Add 1 and 2. A plus a becomes 2a. Minus b plus b cancels, 32, and a is 32 by 2. A is 8. We got one of the term 8. Now we need b. Put a is equal to 8 in equation 1. That is a plus b is equal to 20. 8 plus b is equal to 20, and b is 20 minus 8, and b is exactly what? 12. So the numbers they want, we got the numbers. So therefore they want you to find the numbers. Therefore numbers are, what are the numbers? Numbers are a and b. A and b. A is what? We got the a value, sorry, we got a value as well as b value. A8, b12. 8 and 12 are the numbers. If you find arithmetic mean, 8 plus 12 by 2, 20 by 2, 10. Geometric mean, root 12 into 8, that will be 8. I hope all of you got it. 20, a plus b is how much? 20. 20 minus 8, 20 minus 8 gives you 12. Yes. I hope all of you got this. Then, so in my coming class, I'll do problems related to what? Geometric progressions. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.